got no choice now. I mean, they're after you too now, and it's not just the cops.
God, what am I supposed to do? Spend my life running like you?
Hey, dear. Well, it's up to you. I say they're dead if they catch you. Now, hop aboard or say goodbye. Come on.
Oh, so long, tough guy.
Yeah. So.
What are you doing?
Oh, what the hell am I doing?
Hop on! Come on, hop on!
What are you doing here?
You okay?
Why are we going back?
I forgot something.
Oh!
Oh, wants to play. Oh, my God.
What is this? Butch on wheels?
Okay, Ron, here's your cash. Now, give me the book. Come on, give me the book. It's more than you need. Give me the book.
Maddie, take me with you.
Now, this town needs you, Ron.
What the crap? Let's get out of here.
That ought to be enough to cover the damages.
What damages?
Yeah. Oh, tell him Rick Jarman needs to speak to him. I mean, I need to. It's urgent, okay? Jarman. Jarmin. Yep. Not till when? 6 o'clock. 6 p.m.? On the dot, ma'am. On the dot. Okay, thanks. Yeah. Yeah, oh, sure. He'll remember me. Believe me, he'll remember me. Thanks again. Bye, ma'am.
Hallelujah! Woo! He's there. Not till 6 o'clock, but he's there. He had to go to the doctor. Demon out. He's got a job in the zoo, you know. He got me a job there once. Did I ever tell you about the time I was working in the zoo?
I don't wish to hear about the zoo. I wish to get out of these bushes. I'm wearing cashmere in 100-degree heat, and I really don't feel like waiting around here until 6 o'clock.
Well,
Yeah?
hey, I know someplace where we can go. It's on the way.
Oh.
If you don't mind riding for a couple hours, is that all right? You think you can do that?
Yeah.
What? What do you say? What do you say?
Nothing.
Well, look, either say it or don't say it, all right?